How to post long video on Instagram. First, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. And if it is, let's go ahead and open your app. Instagram has a new update where you can post videos for as long as 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and create a post. Choose a video that you want to post and click next. Then click next again. And here you can also edit the cover for your video. After that, just simply type in your caption and post it. You can check it in your profile, and as you can see, it was successfully uploaded. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.